Some Gold IRA companies look polished online, but behind the scenes, they are facing lawsuits or regulatory trouble you'd never know about unless you check. Here's how to find out if a company is hiding something before you trust them with your retirement savings. First, go to Google and type the company name plus lawsuit or the company name plus SEC complaint. If there's anything major going on, you will usually see news article, government filing, or legal press release right away. Next, check FINRA's broker check and the Better Business Bureau. Search the company name and key executives. Look for signs of trouble, unresolved complaints, government actions, or a pattern of customer issues. And if you want help spotting hidden fees, gimmicks, or shady buyback policies, the free Gold IRA Company Comparison Checklist walks you through 5 questions that can expose bad actors before you invest. You can grab it below this video. It's free to download. A sleek website doesn't mean a clean record. Do your homework and use the checklist to uncover the stuff most buyers miss. It's linked right below this video. Download it and protect your savings before you decide.